2, comma, name, okay, Rakesh. Okay, it has to come. As per formula, it has to come. Done. Previously, in previous video, I explained how to find the four, sorry, not four, first name and last name. How many are there?
Yes,
You
sir.
have to count.
Yes, sir.
Here, three
Yes,
names
yes.
are there, middle, first name and last name. Here, you have
Yes,
to
sir.
find only the first name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, here, see. First of all, what you have to do here means you have to do VLOOKUP. First thing. Okay. First of all, you have to do VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP will get this one. Right. But we want to split in different columns. Sorry, different rows. As per team leader. So what I'll do, there is a function mid substitute of comma ampersand. We want that letters. We want that value. A F4 comma this one F4 comma 2 comma 0. Okay. So we brought that value from the data. Okay. Now that part is over. Now coming to next part. What will be the old text? Old text will be the comma. And what will be the new text? So I am adding a space that to maximum number, that is 255. You can type 100 also, there is no issue, but maximum 255 times. Okay. Still here, everybody, and I think understood. I'll show you. I'll step by step, I'll show you. Number of characters. When I type 1 into 255, comma 255, and it will give you all the spaces, first of all. Okay, wait a minute. Trim. Close parenthesis, F9. So it will pick up only the 1. When I type 2 instead of 1, it will give you second name. Okay, as per I have taken this one now. From that value, it is doing all these things. So what I'll do here, simply I use a rows function $23 colon G23. That's it. Okay, simply I'm doing enter. Control D. Come on, Anand. See, for A, name 1, name 2, Excel Guru. If I change A to E, automatically it will change. Okay, we will add some name over there. Let's see. Not for E. Okay, where is E? Here E. Okay, whenever we add a new name, it will reflect in the output. And I think everyone understood this one. Okay, wait a minute. I will wait a minute, because simple formula. I'm not doing any extra, simple formula. Previously, in previous video, I explained how to find the four. Sorry, not four. First name and last name. How many are there?
Yes,
You have to count.
Yes, sir.
Here, three
Yes,
names
yes.
are there: middle, first name, and last name. Here, you have
Yes,
to
sir.
find only the first name. Not
Sir,
only
I
the
have
first
one
name.
question.
Yes, go ahead.
You have put 3 stars, okay?
Yes.
Because 3 name having
Here it is.
मतलब three name having 1, 2, 3 name, middle name or first name and last name plus middle name, okay?
Okay. Just watch the screen. Is it right or another one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is. But
Okay,
my
right.
question is, we इसमें तो हमारे जैसे मान लो 5 to 10 ही टोटल 7 numbers है.
7 numbers.
7 names है. 7 names.
7 names.
Yes.
You are telling about this, I think so.
हाँ overall sum of मतलब 3 to 10, row number 3 to 10 overall it's 7 names ना in list में 7 नाम है
Total
ना सर?
no, 8 I.
अच्छा 8 है. Okay.
If you want, you can count it.
Okay,
1,
okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, okay. Okay. But three name having first, middle, and last name. That's why we
Yes,
are well, in formula 3 time star.
yes, and one time 2.
Yes. Okay. But if list is more than 7 names, for example, 10, 100 to 120. In that case,
Okay. Yeah, okay.
uh,
Okay.
because data
Yeah,
is limited, be counted manually 1 to 3, having first,
yes,
middle, and third name. But if
yes.
data is larger form, in that case,
Yes. Yeah, you mean to say that here it is the short thing with
yeah,
only
data. So
two
we are
names and
counting
one.
it
Yes,
manually. Yeah, yes, sir.
yes, I
But
understood.
if data is more than 100, 200, or maybe more than larger,
See, here, first of all, I'll explain the concept, then you will able to understand.
yes,
Only
yes, yes.
only this formula applies to more than 100 data. Okay, no need to worry about that.
Okay. Done, sir.
Why? Let me explain you why it works.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
here
Hmm.
I mentioned that two spaces and three words.
Okay.
Two
Two
spaces
star is
and three
for
words.
two stars is for two spaces.
Yeah, two star
Within
for one
star
space.
there.
Listen.
Okay.
Two star is for one space.
Okay. Okay.
Three star is
Because
for two spaces.
okay.
So we are what actually it's happening means it is checking how many three words are there.
Okay. Wild card.
And yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Ask me. If you have doubt, ask me. No need to worry.
No, no,
Don't be
no.
hesitate.
No. I was thinking that you have counted uh, out of 7 or 8 names list. जैसे आपने काउंट किया
No.
1 2 3. ओके. आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट 3 स्टार इज फॉर दैट वन.
No. Actually, dear, what is this meaning means there is
यस सर.
something after that something. After that
ओके.
something.
दैट इज कॉल्ड वाइल्ड कार्ड आई थिंक.
Yes. Yes. Wild card. That's I'm doing. That
ओके.
there should be three words. In three words, two
ओके.
spaces.
Yeah, I remember in my company, for example, 3 person having name Rakesh. His first name
Yeah.
is XYZ and last name is XYZ. But I have to if
Okay.
count only Rakesh, how many person having Rakesh, yeah, or total of their salary or XYZ anything. We put
So
star,
you
then
yes.
name Rakesh,
Rakesh
then star, then
and
it will
yes.
count all name having
Rakesh.
Rakesh common.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah. Right.
done.
Right.
Okay, I understand. Okay,
Understood?
sir.
Okay. Now I'll show you how to count one. Okay.
Okay, yes,
Only
sir.
one. Only one name. It may be a middle name. It may be anything. We doesn't know. Only occurs only
Okay,
one. Okay. So
okay,
count
sir.
if here also we are taking the wild card.
Done.
Not equal. Observe clearly what I mean to say.
Okay,
And star space star. What we are telling here, we are telling that it should not
not
be a
equal to.
two. It is not equal to more than two words with one space.
Okay.
There will be two words, one space.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't want two words and one space.
Okay,
It is one.
okay,
Kritika is having only one name, one word name.
okay.
Understood the concept which I explained you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
And have you? Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
uh, for example, if we are having this one, okay. अब हम वैसे भी कर सकते हैं इसमें कुछ, जैसे अगर हम जैसे फर्स्ट नेम है जैसे रजनीकांत, देन कृतिका,
Yes. Okay.
अगर हम जैसे स्पेस फाइंड कर सके कि फर्स्ट जैसे स्पेस काउंट किया है इसमें फर्स्ट वाले में कि हाउ मेनी टाइम्स स्पेस इज कमिंग,
Okay.
रजनी
ये
स्पेस
ना
वन।
ना मैं समझ चुका हूँ. So
हाँ जी।
you tell me, I will type it. You
नो
tell me, I will type it. No, no,
एक्चुअली
the answer
मैं,
will be. No, listen. I understood what you mean to say that if you
यस सर,
find space,
यस,
we don't want space. Without space, we need the word,
ओह ये ओके ओके
but it will not work.
ओके डन।
Suppose if
एक्चुअली
I
माय
say,
एक्सेल इज
listen,
नॉट सो मच, वो आई एम लर्निंग।
no need. Whatever the questions you are asking, 100% correct only. What I am
ओके
doing, just I am typing like this.
ओके
I
ओके
want
ओके
single word. I want single word.
ओके
I want single word. I mean asterisk.
ओके
But it will give us 8.
या
Understood?
यस यस
Each and every word it will check. So we have to do like this
ओके
to find only one word name.
डन।
Understood?
यस सर
And
यस।
have you tried that one which I posted in that Telegram?
No, actually, I have to present some reports. Actually, monthly, मेरे को monthly data